Are you in the market for a professional haircutting kit? I have one here for you from WAHL. This is a great product. I've been using it for years and years. I just wanted to show it to you, do an unboxing, and give you an idea what it looks like. You get a nice power, you get a main shaver, and you get also a trimmer as well. You can see here on all the, you can do the trimming, you can do the beard, you can do your sideburns, all included. It comes with everything. It comes with all the blades, 10 hair cutting blades, 6 beard guides. It comes with everything in the kit here. It's all in one, made in USA. Number one. All right, this is a nice quality product. Like I said, I've been using this for years, and I just want to do an unboxing. Let's get to it. Okay, so here we have it. I took it out of the box, and we have it right here. So it comes in a nice portable pouch. So this is a waterproof pouch with a handle, so you can take it with you on the road if you need to. Also to store it as well. So that's really kind of nice. So let's take a look at it. Let's open it up and see what's in the kit. Okay, first thing in the kit is some instructions and some information about a thank you from the company, which is really nice. Some safety and important guidelines that you probably should read if you want. We'll put that to the side. Also in here is the actual instruction manual, give you a little idea on how to use it, proper care, maintenance, and things like that. So like I said, I've been using this for years, and it really works really well. It gives you the it gives you the different, you can do the ear, you can do the tapers, you can do trimming, all kinds of really cool kind of things. So take a look at this. Gives you a little idea. Once you get used to doing it, honestly, you don't need it anymore. You can just kind of do it yourself. It's really pretty easy. So what is included in the bag? Let's take a look at the actual, okay, so let's take a look at the combs. So you get quite a few different size combs in here. All right, take it out of here. You can see here, there's all different size combs. So these are the different thicknesses. Quality, again, high quality impact plastic. So this is really nice quality stuff. You can see that it's nice and shiny. So what happens is, so the slip slides right through the hair, nice and easy. So that's really nice as well. And there's different sizes. So what they did here is they put numbers on here, and actually they made an improvement on this new one. So you can see this is a number 5/8 or 16 millimeters. So they give you 3 different sizes, as you know. So you can go by, okay, pull me the number 5. Or give me the 5/8, or give me the 16 millimeters. So this has 3 different sizes. Again, this is number 8, 1 inch, 25 millimeter. So they give you different sizes. So you can just continue going down. Number 4, 1/2 inch. I usually use the 1/2 inch myself. I get a nice and close. Number 4, 13 millimeters. Here's the number 7, 7/8, 22 millimeters, and on and on. So I don't want to bore you with that, but that's what it is. So it comes with tons of these little ones as well. Okay, this is number 1, 1/8. So this could be a sideburns. You want to trim, something like that. Number 1, maybe your eyebrows. I don't know. So everything is right here. So you get all the different sizes, and you get a bunch of, and they give you 2 combs. So it's just kind of nice. You get the 2 combs. So you get a straight comb and an angled comb. These are made out of plastic. Okay, they do have some flexibility to them, so you can see. Okay. And one has a little bit thicker bristles, and one has a little bit thinner. So it's maybe for the finer hairs. There's a little bit thicker hairs, trying to get something like that. So that's what this is for. So you see here, we get a bunch of these, which is really cool. Again, nice quality. Again, everything with this company is all USA made, and that's really important. So they also give you a portable carrying pouch. So if you want to take it, I guess, on the road, you can even a smaller pouch, which is kind of cool. That's actually new for the kit this year. Put that to the side. We have in here, these is also, put that to the side for a second. We'll look at that in a minute. That's with the trimmer. So here's another thing that a lot of kits don't include. This is the oil. So these have to be oiled. A lot of people don't realize that. This is metal on metal. Even though they are self-sharpening, you really need to oil them maybe every few haircuts, like every 2 or 3 haircuts. Put a little oil on the side, and I'll show you where in a minute, so you can get an idea on that. So that's in here. Also keep your pair of nice scissors, and actually with a guide, a scissors guard. So that's nice. And these are nice quality scissors. So here's the razor itself. Okay, so this is not a cordless razor. This is a corded razor, just so you know. And I've tried the cordless, and I don't know, it's okay. I like the power of a corded. I have the reliability. That's important. There's a nice toggle switch on the side here, so you can see that. So on and off toggle. That's easy. Okay. There's a blade guard. Let's take that blade guard off. It says oil blades before using. Okay, so there you go. So it's telling you right here, so don't ignore that. That's really important. And to oil it, it's super simple. You take a couple of drops of the oil, and you just put it on the side in here. Hopefully you can see right here. You put it right here, right in the side in here. and you'll just let it ride down and turn it on. And what happens is it's just the friction. There's a friction here that goes back and forth. And if it gets too much friction, it just doesn't slide correctly and it doesn't get into the cut. So that has to be oiled. Make sure you do that. That's important as well. I like the feel of it. Not too big. You have different models over the years, and I've had different ones. This one I actually I like quite a bit. It's got a nice feel to it. Not too heavy. You can see that. It's a shiny, nice plastic. It's a nice quality. It's got an adjustable here. So this is an adjustment here. A lot of people don't know about this adjustment here. This actually adjusts the actual intensity of the vibration. So if you find it chattering and making noise, you can adjust this and just take that down a little bit. So it's all set, factory set already. But as you're using it, you'll notice a little rattling, a little chattering. So you can adjust that right here. So don't forget to oil it, adjust it, and you're good to go. You get many, many years out of this. So this is a really nice quality. So let's do another important test. Let's just listen to this before we get to the beard and just see how it sounds. That's important. Okay, so I plugged it in, and we're just going to give you an idea on how it sounds. I didn't oil it yet, but I just want to give you an idea of the sound and how it sounds, and not to be startled when you first turn it on. Now that's pretty loud, just to let you know, but that's the intensity of the blades going back and forth. You can see that, and that really cranks. So I'll just put it a little closer to the microphone so you can hear that. And that's pretty much how this works. I mean, that's just the way the WAHL brand works. It's just this is how they manufacture it. They probably, all in all, a very, very solid product, and that's what it is. So, so it does have a little bit of a sound. It has some vibration to it, just so you know. So don't be startled with that. Don't use this on your pets. To have other ones that for our pets are a lot quieter, a little bit less powerful. So that's another thing, and you can check a look at my channel. You can see other ones that I have for pets. So if you're interested in the pet trimmer or some kind of system for that, I have that on my channel as well. I'll actually leave a link at the end of the video so you can see that as well. So okay, let's get back to it. So okay, so now we talked about oiling it. We talked about cleaning it. You have to clean it with a little brush here. You clean it after you're done using it. How do you attach the attachments? Simple. So you just take it to the side here. You can see here, and you slide into the teeth. Then you just snap it down. It's a little snap here. You can see that, and that snaps in. So that holds it in here. So what happens is it pulls the hair. It's like acts like a comb. It pulls the hair and then runs it through the blades and trims it. So basically, as the inches, this is a number 3, so 3/8. So this will cut your hair 3/8. Just bear in mind that you have colics. It's different situations for different guys. So if you're trimming your hair, just be aware you have to go over multiple times with passes. Use the comb, to get the hair straightened out. Pass through it, and that's how that works. So that's pretty easy to use. To take it off, there's a little lip here. You pull the lip off, and this comes off. One more time. Align it to the teeth. There's a little teeth here. You align it. So you can see that. And then you just snap it in just like that. And that's how that goes in and comes out. So that is very, very easy to use. Let's put the guard back on. So that's a good overview of the actual blade itself. This is what you get here. This is everything in the kit, but also in this kit, you do get a beard trimmer. So here's the beard trimmer here. Again, this is like a mini version of this here as well. I don't know if you have to oil this one or not. You probably do. Yeah, it's all metal. So I would oil this one as well if you need to. And also comes with batteries. So that's really good. A lot of things don't come with batteries, right? So as you know, so a lot of things don't come with batteries, so you don't have to go buy batteries. And to install the batteries, it's simple enough. You just follow the instructions, which is real easy. One goes up and one goes down. So the little button at the bottom. One goes up, one goes down. That's always how it works. And here it is here, and here's a little switch. And this is your sideburns, back, neck, things like that. This is what this is. This is a nice trimmer, and also it does have attachments. So this is the baby attachments. So this is the little brother, and this is the big brother. They look just like this here. They snap on the exact same way. So if you want to trim, I guess, I don't know, maybe your eyebrows or whatever, I don't know. There's certain things you want to trim with this here, back of your neck. If you want to keep, not really, a beard, things like that. It's really like a beard and sideburn trimmer. So if you want to have a certain length of the beard, you can use that. If you have a mustache, things like that. So that's what this is for. So this is really nice quality. Has a little a blade guard as well, and that goes on here like that. Okay, so that's it. That is the whole package right here. Everything you can see here, and I'll leave a link in the description down below where you can find yours. You'll get something very similar to that. It's WAHL. Like I said, this is the deluxe hair cutting kit. This is a 2-pack here. It comes with the regular, and it comes with the small one as well. You can see. Any questions, any comments, leave down below. Let me know what you like to shave with. Do you use a straight razor? Do you use an electric razor for your face? Do you use for your hair? Do you go to a barber? Do you cut your own hair? Things like that. Just, leave down in the comments, what you do and how you do it, and what's your favorite hair cutter for trimming. Do you use this one? Do you use other brands? Let me know. Leave some comments down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me grow my channel so I can help you make really good decisions on products that you might want to use in the future. And that's what my channel is all about. All types of reviews and all types of information about learning how to look at things and just give you food for thought. Oh, yeah, it says WAHL USA. So this is definitely made in USA, just so you know. Precision Premium Smooth Cut. So that's what this is. So this product is made in USA. Probably the rest of this is outsourced. I don't really know. Maybe not. I don't know. But this is the whole kit here. So this is a really nice, I've been using this for years, like I said. So this is a really nice product, quality product that works well. Also turn on bell notifications, so if you want to be notified of other future reviews that I do all types of reviews and everything that you can think of far as. And take a look at my channel. I have over 450 videos on my channel that you can look at and explore and see all kinds of cool and different stuff. Okay, guys, well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoy this unboxing mess I made with this cool WAHL Deluxe hair shaving kit. Don't forget, again, to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.